Now let me read first the lesson nutritions in plant. So how the plant get the nutritions from the food, and which component in the food the plant gets from their necessary thing for some reaction and get energy. So now in this lesson we read about the nutrition in plant. So like that we study in class 6 that how to get nutrition for all living organisms, means all living things, how to get nutrition. So all living things get nutrition from the food, because some components are present in the food like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, minerals, salt, etc. These components are in the food that the human and animals and plant also get, and then these components of food, means these components of food, which components? Carbohydrate, vitamin, protein, minerals and salt. These components of food are called nutrients. Now we talk about the nutrients that the people and animals, where from where they get the nutrients and our food. So here I know that the human and the animals are depend with each other. Human are depend for food on animals and plants. Animals also depend on the plant for their food. Okay, animals and human are depends for their food on plants and animals also. Now I would like to say that in the food we eat vegetables, we eat fruits, we drink juice, many different type of juices. So all these things comes from where? Come from these all things from the nature. Now all the crops, all the weeds comes from where? Agriculture, right? All type of fruits comes from where? All type of fruits come from where? Plant, right? And all type of meat comes from where? Animals, right? So all living organisms require food. Plant can synthesize food for themselves, but animals, including human, cannot. All living organisms require food, means all living things have required food. Why? Plants can synthesize. So how they prepare their food? How they prepare their food? So now first living things is plant. Now second is human. Third is animal. Right? Animal, human and plants are living things. So plants can synthesize food. Can plants synthesize their food? Yes, plants can synthesize their food, and but in spite of the plant, here I talk about the animals and human. So animals and human cannot be synthesis their food for own self, like the plant synthesis their food own self themselves, but the animal and the human cannot be synthesis their food themselves. So here I thus that the result that the human and the animal are directly or indirectly dependent on plants, means the life of a human and an animal. If we say that here, so that's not a big things, that the life of an animal and a human are depend directly or indirectly on the plants, because whatever we get, whatever we eat, whatever we drink in daily life, all things comes from the nature, all things comes from the plant. Okay, so animals and human cannot be synthesis their food, but the plant can synthesis their food. Okay, now mode of nutrition in plant. What is the mode of nutrition in plant? Plant are the only organism that can prepare food for themselves by using water. Means now some components that we require for preparing the food for the plants. So these components, the plants observe all these components for preparing their food from the nature. And what the now water, second thing is carbon dioxide, third is what's called, first is water, second is carbon dioxide, third is sunlight. So the plant gets the sunlight from the sun. Now the second thing is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, that's a gas, and this gas human come out from our body. When we come out our breathing. Okay, when we left our breathing, at the time of leaving the breathing, the carbon dioxide gas comes out from our body. Okay, so when we left this gas, trees gets this gas from the nature, from the environment, because when we left carbon dioxide gas from our body, and so this carbon dioxide gas are present in the environment, and these trees when they breathe. So plants, what did the plant do for breathing system? In the breathing system, what did the plant do? Plants comes out the oxygen gas, and human gets oxygen, right? Human and animals gets oxygen, and trees left this gas, and human and animals left carbon dioxide gas, so the plant gets this gas. Okay, and this gas, the plants using this gas for preparing the food. Okay, and how did the plant, how plants gets the water from where? The plants get the water from the environment, from the earth, because in this environment, in this atmosphere, a large amount of water, are present in this environment. When we see, when we see a practical, in the summer, a bottle of water comes from the fridge, right? How did the bottle? When we a bottle of water, bottle inside the fridge, refrigerator, after some time, how did the bottle? Ice means that's very cold. Okay, not a water. But for some time, the water come out from the refrigerator. Okay, for some time, the bottle put out from the fridge, refrigerator, and put down the earth. So many types of some water. We saw some water where इन जब आप बोतल को बाहर रख दोगे तो आप उस बोतल का जो बर्फ है उसके बाद आप क्या देखेंगे? व्हाट डिड यू सी? वे हम देखते हैं कि कुछ पानी की बूंदें उस बोतल पर दिखाई देती हैं. सो दैट वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर? वो पानी कहाँ से आया? नॉट आइस से निकल के. नाउ दैट्स वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट. ओके, in the summer season, a polythene, okay, a polythene hang one screw. Okay, a polythene, okay, or how was the polythene? Blank. There is nothing in the polythene. Okay, there is nothing in the polythene. Only blank polythene. Hang to the screw. Yeah, hang to the stand. And after some days, after 7 or 10 days, you will see in the polythene a little amount of water inside the polythene. Right? In the raining season, जानते हो? In the raining season, the salt put out from the bottle. Okay, so we saw that the salt is melt, right? मीन्स हम देखते हैं कि नमक पसीज जाता है बरसात के दिनों में, राइट? सो क्या नमक में वाटर है? बिकॉज द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ अ सॉल्ट NaCl, सोडियम क्लोराइड. सो सोडियम इज नॉट अ वाटर एंड क्लोरीन इज अ गैस. सोडियम इज क्या? मेटल. सोडियम मेटल है एंड क्लोरीन गैस है. Okay, chlorine is a gas and sodium is a metal. Both things is not a water. So in the soil, the water comes from there. That water comes from the environment. See, all these practicals and all these things we know very clearly that a large amount of water are present in the environment, and these amount of water the plants using their quantity from the environment or nature to prepare their food. Okay, now the raw material are present in their surroundings. Okay, such as all the things are surrounding for the human and animals. So all the necessary components of the food that the plant gets for preparing their food, these things components are surrounding there. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their body, and provide the energy to carry out life process. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Now, what is the effect? No problem. So, what is the profit of nutrition for the body? Okay. What is useful of the nutrition for the body? When we get the nutrition is enabled to living. Nutrition enabled to living organism. Why? To build their bodies. To grow and the repair damaged parts of their bodies also. Now we have been suffering from fever. We have been suffering from fever and consulted a doctor.